I don't have my headphones in, so we're going to do the best we can. Apparently, I don't have as many videos as I thought I did when I was trying to transfer over my nonsense. Being able to do videos, YouTube has been a secondary thought process. And I just need to make sure I get a little video vlog of information that I am doing, and then remind myself later on if that was a really dumb idea or a pretty cool idea. So the only thing that's really changed, it's been about 2 months in between the last video that I'll drop and between this one. All of the weeds have been just stuff that I've been gathering. I gathered logs, which are technically yuccas and Joshua trees. I can't remember now if the Joshua tree is a yucca, but you'll have to forgive me. I'm sure someone will be upset about it. Anyway, anything that I could get that was dead, dying, decaying, grabbed, put it into all of my holes, tried to bury the, I guess I haven't really buried any of the new stuff. All the buried stuff I'd already done. With basically just logs, and they're not unfertile, but they're definitely not spouting with life like I thought. So the logs and the moist stuff by itself wasn't a really beneficial thought or a helpful thing. Definitely needed to add the extra layers. So there's definitely a layer of log, wood, layer of weeds and stuff, and then I threw some extra woody stuff on top, and I'll bury that with some more soil. Been doing little rocks when I can, just to slow down any water that comes off, because again, the game plan is to gather as much water that comes this direction and then spread it onto the property. Got crap tons of pallets that I've been moving around. That was my little stretch space, but I've been wanting to make the composting bins anyway, so I'm trying to organize which ones I can use and to what extent, because half of them are broken in different areas. Awesome freaking little cart, and I'm working on my little rock face right here. I feel like most of this will be rock, just to slow down and gather moisture. Been trying to make my creosote bush be a little bit more, more vertical, less horizontal. The game plan is from this is just that I realized the last video that I had was like, man, this is fucking not green at all. I legit had a video that I ran outside when it was raining, and can't find that one either. So, not bad, not great. New RV. Given to me. Very thankful for it. Like most of my shit right now. Alright, you're awesome. Love you. Bye.